Hey folks, this side it's Karthikeya Chawla on the behalf of Jam and Panther team. Today's video is in continuation with the last week's video, and I'll show you today how to invoke JavaScript from Panther. So let's start. So this screen, as compared to the last week, you can see that there is a small change, which is this field. The name of the widget is message, and I have marked export to HTML as yes, which is very necessary because I need the ID of this field in my JavaScript. Adding to that, I will be using this as a hidden field because I need to invoke the alert box that you just saw in the JS from Panther. So the a flag kind of thing will be passed through JPL, which will be received in the JS, and it will be popped up on the HTML screen. So my screen is ready as it was in the last week. I will key in my credentials, support@prolifix.com. I'll enter my password and click sign in. So you can see that alert box which I showed you in my JavaScript, that is true. It popped up, and if I click OK, I will be returned to the screen as I'm not doing anything with this screen right now. So you can see that the flag value was received from Panther screen and it popped up in the alert box as JavaScript. If you like the video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.